আমাদের আজকের অনুষ্ঠানের মাননীয় মুখ্য অতিথি তথা রাজ্যের আমাদের পার্বতী ত্রিপুরার ঐতিহ্যবাহী সাগরে ওনাকে এবারে বরণ করে নেওয়া হবে।
इतना बड़ा लेवल में एक आदि महोत्सव कर रहा है। बाइबल आर्टिसंस नागपुर से बाकी राज्य से नमस्कार, सभी को नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग। इट इज I also take this opportunity to welcome our chairman Marco Ferd.
যে আসন অলঙ্কৃত করেছেন অনারেবল চেয়ারম্যান ত্রিপুরা মার্কেট শ্রী অভিজিৎ অনেক অভিনন্দন। Once again, a very big warm and hearty welcome our honorable dignitaries.
I also extend our
Managing Director, Program Muchak and Radha Murka, IPS SAT.
রাজ্যের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী শ্রদ্ধেয় প্রফেসর ডক্টর মানিক সাহা মহোদয়ের কাছে
পিতাম আজ্ঞায় না
Secretary Tribal Welfare Department and other
Narwai Batok, so.
ओम शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमस्तुते। আসলে অবসর ঘটে ইতিমধ্যে উপস্থিত করে আমাদের আজকের এই আয়োজনের মাননীয় মুখ্য অতিথি তথা রাজা মরুগান মহাশয়, আপনাদের সকলের কাছে অনুরোধ রাখছি প্লিজ আগামীকাল
Under the MSP, that is minimum support price, for MFP means minor forest produce scheme, states can purchase, or government, every state, this northeastern, all the states, Coastal Lakshmi, they can purchase minor forest produce from the tribal collectors at government fixed prices through a revolving fund, ensuring that they get a stable income. Currently, 87 minor forest producers we have under this project. Rupees 6 crore and 22 lakhs have been approved as revolving fund in the Northeast. Emphasis has also been given on the development of infrastructure. Rupees 5 lakh has been allocated for modernization of each hut. Every hut will get rupees 5 lakh for modernization, and every hut will get rupees 3 lakh 25,000 for construction of storage facility. Rupees 20 crore 13 lakhs have been approved for the modernization of hut or bazaar and for the construction or renovation of storage facilities in the northeastern region, which is helpful in increasing the business. You will be glad to know that rupees 2 crore 66 lakh for minor forest produce and rupees 1 crore 14 lakh for infrastructure development has been approved for Tripura. Under the Bonodhan Yojana project, 15 to 20 self-help group (SHG) groups are formed with 300 tribal forest dwellers or artisans. These together form a Bonodhan Vikas Kendra. And each Bonodhan Vikas Kendra is provided a rupees 15 lakh for training, then toolkits, raw materials, branding, so that self-reliant livelihood can be created. Under Pradhan Mantri Janajati Vikas Mission and Pradhan Mantri Janajati Adivashi Naya Maha Abhijan, rupees 216 crore 55 lakh has been approved for setting up 1,749 Bonodhan Vikas Kendra in the northeast, through which more than 5,24,070 tribals will get benefited. So far, 57 Bonodhan Vikas Kendra have been approved in Tripura under Pradhan Mantri Janajatiya Vikas Mission. 30 Bonodhan Vikas Kendras has also been approved specially for the particular vulnerable tribal group, that is PBTG community, under the Pradhan Mantri Janajati Adivasi Naya Maha Abhijan scheme. Through continuous effort, this TriFair is playing a leading role in strengthening the livelihood of tribal communities in the northeast by adding value, that is value added, to their product and preserving their rich cultural heritage, which is making a significant contribution in their sustainable development. With this, I conclude my speech. Again, I would like to give my thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, the way he is thinking for the development of our this tribal people, particularly for the northeastern region. Really, we are fortunate enough that this kind of leader we have presently in our country. Thank you very much. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. It gives me an immense pleasure to join you on this occasion of Adi Mahotsav. I never have heard this Adi Mahotsav. First time I came to know. So it is my great pleasure, of course, I stand before you. And already my previous speaker already have mentioned what is TriFair. The Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. And it is also under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. And they have organized this Mahotsav under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. And I am very glad that this kind of Mahotsav, this Adi Mahotsav 2026, it is meant for the tribal welfare. Only our future generation of tribal people of India, and first time it has kick-started in Tripura, and that is also with effect from today up to 21st February 2020. And this TriFair is a national level cooperative organization functioning under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, already I have said. And what is the objective? Its main objective is to ensure the socio-economic empowerment of tribal communities across the country, and which never have been thought of by other Prime Ministers of India except late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And our Honorable Prime Minister, he has emphasized on this, and he wants that our last mile peoples, particularly these tribal people, should be socio-economically they should be developed. Culturally they should be developed. And this event, what I said, that its main objective, that through marketing, development of their products, through platform like Tribes India Outlet, Adi Mahotsav, then Adi Bazar, etc., etc. We know that India is a diverse country, often described as a land of unity in diversity, characterized by immense variety in language, religion, culture, geography, and ethnicity. what I already have mentioned, that it is a 8-day festival where there will be display of art, then handicrafts, culture and food by tribal artists and artisans from across the country, with special participation from the northeastern states. Our Honorable Prime Minister used to say that without development of northeastern region, our country cannot be developed. So he has mentioned that Act East policy he has emphasized that we have to, this northeast should be developed. So it is a part of this Adi Mahotsav. And this Adi Mahotsav, if you think it is only a marketing platform, it is not a just marketing platform. It's a cultural gathering, I should say, where tribal artists, especially from the northeast, and they will get the opportunity to share their traditions, skills and culture. This festival, it plays an important role in creating livelihoods and to generate income opportunity for tribal communities, which I have mentioned already. I have given the data that about 50 number stalls have been set up representing Assam, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand and Odisha. My previous speaker, our Honorable Minister already mentioned about it. Among them, there are 4 stalls of authentic tribal cuisines of the northeastern state, showcasing the diverse food culture. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, TriFed under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India is implementing various flagship projects in the northeast. These projects are implemented in collaboration with the state government, state nodal department, implementing agencies, and Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, that is IIE, under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India.